We have subtraction of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have binomial because this polynomial has two terms, and in the second we have binomial also. So this is equal. First we have to take down the parenthesis. When we don't have any sign, it means it's positive. So we just take the parenthesis and we have to rewrite whatever we have inside. So we have 4x plus 5y. Next, we have negative sign. When we have negative sign before parentheses, it means we have to change the sign every expression in parentheses to a positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So we have positive 4, negative and positive. So it will be negative, and 4x we have to rewrite, and we have negative and negative. Negative times negative give me positive, and y we copy. So now we have to combine the like terms. We have 4x minus 4x, so this we can reduce, it will be 0. And we have 5y plus y. When we don't have coefficient, it's always invisible 1. So we have 5y plus 1y. We copy variable y. We have to just add the coefficients. 5 plus 1 is 6. We have 6y. This is my solution.